We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Canon MF4350 printer. The problem we're having is whenever the customer's making copies or scans, they're getting lines or little smudges and stuff on their copies and scans. That's going to indicate there's something dirty on the scanner glass. So if we lift the top of the scanner, you'll actually notice there's two separate pieces of glass. There's a large flatbed scanner, and there's a small strip of glass on the left side of the printer, and that's for when you're using your top document feeder. So we want to make sure we clean both of these. In order to clean the scanner glass, we're going to use your favorite glass cleaner and a lint-free rag. If you don't have any glass cleaner, you can use rubbing alcohol, but glass cleaner is definitely preferred. And the biggest tip I can give you is please always apply your glass cleaner directly to your cloth. You never want to apply the glass cleaner directly to the glass. You're at a high risk of the glass cleaner seeping underneath the glass, and then you're causing a lot more trouble than you started with. So please always apply your glass cleaner directly to your cloth. Alright, and then we'll start on the small strip of glass on the left. That way we can make sure that any copies done with the top document feeder come out nice and good, clean. And just wanting to make sure you get any kind of dirt, whiteout, tape, ink, anything like that off the glass. Sometimes they can be a little stubborn. You might have to go over it a couple of times to make it come off the glass. Once you're happy with the way it looks, then we'll go ahead and clean off the flatbed scanner. Flatbed scanners are highly prone to fingerprints and smudges, dust, things like that. Let's go ahead and just give it a good wipe down. You can always do a visual inspection afterwards, make sure you don't see anything physically on the glass. Once you're happy with the way everything looks, go ahead and make a couple extra test copies or scans. Make sure all your copies and scans are coming out clean. If you're still getting slight defects, then just repeat that cleaning process one more time. That should take care of it. Other than that, you'll be back up and printing.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.